What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, today we're gonna go over this heated vest from KEMI MOTO. So let's get to it. All right, kinfolk. So I just want to give a big shout out, man, to KEMI MOTO for supporting the channel, man. We've got quite a bit of products through KEMI MOTO. So thank you so much for always supporting the channel. And so today what we're gonna do is go over this fleece heated vest. It comes in your box, right? Your KEMI MOTO box. It also comes in a bag. It's nicely packed in a plastic bag with a little zipper top up top. It also comes with the battery and the charging cord, which is all gonna come in this box here. And then of course it comes with a bunch of KEMI MOTO tags on the product as well. So we've already unboxed it because we've actually already been using the product, right? We've been using this so we can give you my honest opinion on everything, right? So what we'll do is we'll go over the vest first, and then we'll go over the functions of the heated portions of it, and then you know, we'll just get into depth with it as far as what I think about it and how it's been working. Again, it's a fleece product, right? So it's got a bunch of it's fleece, not a bunch of fleece. It's got fleece on it. You've also got a zipper pocket here, which is pretty big. The zipper pocket can fit a phone in it, right? So that'll go right into there. Big zippers on here. Zips right up really easy. And then you've got your collar that comes up all the way as well. So you got fleece around the whole collar. And again, you got your KEMI MOTO logo on here. You've got your pockets, which also has zippers on them. Inside the pockets, like a sweater material. So it's not fleece, but it is like a sweater material on the inside. Same on this side here. Nice deep pockets, right? They go in pretty far. So that's nice. And then on the inside, you're going to have your zipper pocket for the battery. This is where your battery will sit. This is your battery here. So when you do have the battery out, you hit that power button on the side and it'll show you how much it's charged up. I don't know if you can see that with the light, but there's like little yellow lights on there that'll show you how charged the battery is. This side, there's no pocket, no zipper, nothing like that. This here, man, the battery bank here, what we'll do is we'll plug it up. I'll show you how to plug it up on here. It's got this nice thick power cord here for it. And this is just gonna plug right into here where it says DC out, Type C in, and USB out. So you can actually use this as a charger as well, your battery bank, right? And then Type C in, this is how you're gonna charge it. So you'll charge it with that Type C in. So you're gonna take this, plug it right into there. We'll turn it on and then we'll drop it back into your pocket. And then the cool thing about this actual product here is you can actually take it and hold it and it'll go into your mode there, your heating mode. If you hit it again, blue is gonna be medium. You hit it again, green's gonna be low. So you've got 3 different modes and then that's high. Or if you hold it, turns it off. Or what you can do is, you see this little line here and that there? It's actually voice activated as well. So this is gonna be really cool. So what you can do is you just say, to wake it up, you can say, KEMI. When it flashes like that and beeps, it hears you. So once you wake it up and that's flashing there, then you can give it certain commands, right? And the booklet will tell you all the commands that it is, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, turn on. When it lights up red, it beeps, that's on high. Medium. All medium, all low. It's pretty slick, all high. So then it'll sit like that, right? And then again, while this is flashing, that lets you know that it's ready to take a command. Once it stops, then it's just gonna stay on at whatever mode it's on. So once it goes back into sleep mode as far as the voice activation, then you would just come back with the KEMI or so there it heard me. You can say, hi KEMI, hello KEMI, and just KEMI, right? And then it'll reactivate the voice command mode. KEMI, turn off. So now it's off, okay? So you just gotta get the voice activation system down, right? Another cool thing about this product is you've also got an app. So you can download the app and you can control everything from the app. Melo's already got the app on her phone. Go over that with you real quick. You got KEMI MOTO Heat Tech is the actual app. and then you can go ahead and power it on. KEMI, pairing. So once you say that, so now it's connected, okay? So then you can control everything just from the phone itself. So then you can turn it on. So now it's on high heat over here on the actual vest. And then you can control the temperature itself. And then once you control it, that actually changes colors as well, right? So your vest will change colors also. Okay? And you can go all the way low, and that turns green, which is the low setting for the vest. So then if you have other products from KEMI MOTO that you can connect to the app, that run off of the app, you can put everything there, and you can select all, and it'll show all the items that are on the app, and it'll control them all at one time as well. You can do a timer for it. You can dim the light or turn it off, right? So it's still on here, but your light is actually off. So then it comes on back as well. Pretty dope. KEMI MOTO Heat Tech. So yeah, that's sick, man. So that's the really cool thing about this vest here. So the vest itself, man, keeps you warm. The wife's worn it, I've worn it, and even though it doesn't have any sleeves, it keeps your body pretty warm. We wore it in the slingshot, and it was really, really cool. And then outside, of course, as well, right? Again, getting down what to say at what time is the main thing about the vest, learning that. But once you learn that, it's pretty cool, man. It'll work. As long as it can hear you, it'll work every time, right? So then we'll go KEMI, all off. There you go, turns off. Now, the one thing I will say is, we'll take it off of there, and I'll put it on. Oh man, that thing's pretty warm already on the inside. We'll put this on. You know, when you're all dressed up nice, the vest looks really, really cool, man. You know what I mean? It looks really cool on you. So, looks good, right? So, again, the only thing I will say is this battery pack is pretty big. So you can feel the weight of that in there. But it lasts, when we did wear it, we had it on all day long. And of course we would turn it off, turn it back on, but it lasted us the whole day. And I think I had like 40%, 30% left on the jacket. And I think Meyer had about the same thing left on the vest. So it'll last a pretty good while, man, depending on what heat setting you have it on, right? The app you're gonna get from, it's got a QR code in there, so you can get that from there. You're gonna have heating elements here in the chest. You also have a big heating element there in the back as well. So, and when we had it on, remember when we had it on in the back, you can actually feel it through the neck as well. Like it felt like there was heating elements through here as well, which I don't think there is. It's just the heat rises and it was keeping this up pretty warm as well. So, yeah, man. Really, really cool. Love that you can control it from the app. Love that you can control it from voice activation. And again, another product from KEMI MOTO, man, that does exactly what it's supposed to do. Again, KEMI MOTO, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And I'll do another video later on the long-term use as well to see how it works out throughout the long term. All right, Kim folk, so that's it, man. Look. KEMI MOTO Fleece vest. It's a great product. We've been using it already for a little while, so it does what it's supposed to do. So if you want to go check it out, link will be down below, and that'll be it. So that's it for this video. Till next time, till next install or next product review, we'll catch you on the next one. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.